when your soapbox unfolds. But please come down from that cloud you're sitting on. I don't expect you to admit that you were wrong. Just wanna know how you've been. Don't make me feel bad that we're still friends. Rolling it over in my bed. I hope that you see through your pick.
1, 2, 3.
There goes my life, passing me by with every exit sign. It's been so long. Sometimes I wonder if I can stay strong. No sleep tonight. I'll keep on driving these dark highway lines as the moon fades. One more night gone, 20 more days, but I will see you again. I will see you again. Time from now. There goes my life, passing me by with every deep morning light. It's been so long, so much time, and so lost. She walks the night. How many hearts will die tonight? Will things have changed? I guess I'll find out in 17 days. But I will see you again. I will see you again. Time from now. My body aches, it hurts to say, and how one is moving. And I wish that I weren't here tonight. But this is my life, and I will see you again. I will see you again. Time from now. But I will see you again. I will see you again. On time from now.